If you want to purchase this fuel injection pump compatible with 4BT 4BTA 3.9 liters 125 horsepower 140 horsepower engine 526-8997-526-1583 CEPS 4PD 120RS replacement parts, the link is in the description below. Diesel engines are remarkable for their longevity and power, but that performance relies on every component functioning perfectly. One component often overlooked until it fails is the fuel injection pump. This pump is the backbone of a Cummins 4BT or 4BTA engine, delivering fuel at precise amounts and timing to ensure smooth combustion. Without it, even a robust engine struggles to perform efficiently. The 4BT and 4BTA 3.9 liters engines are renowned for their durability and reliability in trucks, generators, and industrial machinery. Operating in the 125 horsepower to 140 horsepower range, they require accurate fuel delivery to maintain torque, efficiency, and engine health. A worn or failing injection pump can disrupt that balance, causing performance issues, hard starts, smoke, and lower fuel economy. Replacing the pump with a quality-compatible part restores the engine's original capabilities. This replacement pump, compatible with part numbers 5,268,997, 5,261,583, and CEPS 4PD 120RS, is designed to fit perfectly in 4BT and 4BTA engines without modification. Its engineering ensures the same precision and durability as the original, giving confidence that it will perform reliably over thousands of operating hours. Quality materials and precise internal tolerances make it a long-lasting solution for diesel owners who demand dependable performance. Over time, fuel injection pumps naturally wear down. Internal components experience friction, seals degrade, and performance can decline. If you notice sluggish starts, poor fuel efficiency, excessive smoke, or inconsistent engine power, these are signs that the pump may need replacement. Installing a new, properly engineered pump restores optimal performance, fuel delivery accuracy, and throttle response. For heavy-duty applications, reliability is essential. Downtime in work trucks, industrial equipment, or generators can be costly. Using a direct-fit replacement fuel injection pump minimizes the risk of malfunction and ensures the engine operates smoothly under demanding conditions. The precision of this pump guarantees that fuel reaches the combustion chamber at the correct timing and pressure, which translates into consistent power output and lower emissions. The pump is designed for straightforward installation. Whether you are a professional mechanic or an experienced DIY enthusiast, this replacement simplifies the process by eliminating guesswork. The correct part numbers ensure that compatibility with the 4BT and 4BTA engines is exact, preventing issues that can arise from mismatched aftermarket components. Replacing a fuel injection pump also protects long-term engine health. Improper fuel delivery can result in incomplete combustion, which creates carbon buildup, higher exhaust temperatures, and accelerated wear on pistons, valves, and other internal components. Installing a new pump helps maintain engine efficiency and extends its operational lifespan, making it a smart preventive measure. Some might consider rebuilding a worn pump instead of replacing it. While rebuilding is possible, it requires specialized tools, precise calibration, and high-quality components. A complete replacement, on the other hand, provides a fully tested, ready-to-install unit with guaranteed compatibility and performance, saving time and reducing the risk of error. The Cummins 4BT and 4BTA engines are highly regarded for their mechanical simplicity compared to modern electronically controlled engines. This simplicity means that each component, especially the fuel injection pump, must operate flawlessly to ensure engine performance. A properly functioning pump maintains fuel efficiency, consistent torque, and reliable engine operation across a variety of applications. Once installed, the performance difference is immediately noticeable. The engine starts more easily, responds better to throttle inputs, and maintains more stable fuel consumption. While the pump itself is not visible, its impact on engine performance is substantial, influencing every aspect of operation from idle to full load. For diesel engine owners, avoiding downtime is critical. A reliable fuel injection pump allows the engine to run continuously under demanding conditions without unexpected failures. Investing in a quality replacement ensures your engine continues to deliver